Okay, guys, this is the size and scale starting with the laundry room. This will be this place for the microwave. This will be a stained interior. Microwave's 30 wide. And we'll put a frame in here, and you'll have a little bit, about 1.5 inches on each side of the microwave before it hits the wood frame that goes in here. Broom closet. This side does not have adjustable shelves for the vacuum and broom. That's the inside width, inside height. And these doors and drawers have 3-inch frame all the way around. So if we zoom in here, we can take a look and see how that looks to scale, and I think it looks fine. Washer and dryer cabinets above those. These are 14 deep. And from the face of the washing machine, assuming this is 30 inches deep, you have about 28 inches in between here. Molding that's scribed to the ceiling. This is the layout for the laundry room to size and scale. The kitchen. Come on, computer. Again, all to size and scale. The appliances are the correct width, 30-inch range, 30-inch hood, 3 inches of space in between. Glass, stained interior. Glass with a stained interior. This is an L-shaped cabinet. These two doors are bound together, so when they open up together, and the whole face of that cabinet's open with an L-shaped shelf. No Lazy Susan in the corner. This door opens up, lays flat against the face of this cabinet, and there's 2 drawers in there that pull over. Drawer stack here. Spice pull out to the left of the range. Cookie sheet, cutting board storage to the right. And 26, 27-inch wide drawers to the right. Shaker crown scribed to the ceiling. Fridge that sinks into the space. This comes out about 21 inches. This one's a little shallower. So the crown molding, or excuse me, the countertop dives into the side of this fridge leg. 12 inches deep. That cabinet's 21 deep. Island front. Dishwasher to the right. Apron sink. Trash right here. And then we could do that reclaimed wood wrapping on the back. From this wall to the countertop, you have about 30 and 42 inches from the front of the fridge to here. So this is a countertop, 48 inches by 93.5. So if you put a 12-inch wall here, you'll have a 12-inch overhang on the back and a 12-inch overhang here. And that works as far as plumbing. But this is all to size and scale. Take a look at the size of the stile and rail on this to make sure that's appropriate. And let me know if you guys have any changes or corrections.